In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an API key in Confluence. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to go in your Atlassian account, how to navigate the security settings, and how to securely generate and manage your API tokens. Let's start from the Atlassian administration area. First, open your browser and sign into your Atlassian account the way you normally do for Confluence. Once you're logged in, head over to the Atlassian administration page. You can usually get there by using the app switcher at the top of the page, or by going directly to your organization's admin URL if you already have it bookmarked. Make sure you're signed in with the account that you actually want to associate with this API key. Next, look at the upper right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is typically your avatar or your initials in a small circle. Clicking that will open a drop-down menu with options related to your account. From that drop-down, select the option called Account Settings. This will take you out of the product view and into your Atlassian account management page, where you can adjust things like your profile details, visibility, and security settings. Once you're on the account settings page, look for the menu or tabs on the left-hand side and click on Security. This section is where Atlassian groups everything related to protecting your account, such as password, two-step verification, and API tokens. Inside the security section, find the link or button that says Create and Manage API Tokens, and click it. This is the dedicated area where you can generate new tokens, see existing ones, and revoke any that you no longer need. It's a good idea to keep this page in mind for future housekeeping, like cleaning up old keys. Before Atlassian lets you proceed, you will be asked to verify your identity. This is an extra security step to make sure it's really you creating the token. Depending on your setup, you might need to re-enter your password, confirm a code from your authentication app, or approve a prompt sent to your device. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete this verification. Take your time and make sure you finish each step so the process doesn't time out. Once you're verified, Atlassian will bring you back to the API token management page, where you can create a new token, give it a clear label, and then use it in your Confluence integrations or scripts as needed.